Hey everybody, welcome back to my page. You are here with me, WhinewithB. And today I have something new for you guys. This is a DIY project that I did for Mother's Day. Right now I'm going to be using Dollar Tree products to make this M you see here. You see the M to the right of my beautiful mother. That's my mom. I made this M using a few different things, so stay tuned if you'd like to see how I created this masterpiece. So you're going to need a poster board, scissors, pencil, ruler, flowers from the Dollar Tree, glue sticks for glue gun, and a glue gun. So now I'm just here basically using the ruler to draw out the M I want. So the M, I literally just went to Google and I found a picture of the M I wanted to create, and that's how I was able to create the stencil. So basically you could get a picture of whatever M you want to create. So now you see me struggling to cut this M out. Guys, I made the mistake of using a scissors when I actually should have used an X-Acto knife. So I didn't even bother really showing you this part. I showed you a snippet of what I went through to carve this out. But please use an X-Acto knife to cut your stencil out. So now for the exciting part. Here's a few flower heads that I picked off of the stems that I got from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to show you here exactly what I did. As you can see, I just took the top off and it comes off really easy. And now we're just going to go ahead and make sure you have your glue gun heated up. Place the flowers in any direction that you want. It depends on the type of look you're going for. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, but if you have an idea of how you want it to look, you can always pull a picture up. But me, I just basically freeformed it and I just put random flowers everywhere. Okay, so I also saved the leaves from the stems because we're also going to incorporate the leaves on this M. It looks so much better, I'm telling you. It gives it such a really nice look. So I picked the leaves off the stems and I'm now gluing them in between the flowers in random places so that it just makes the flowers, it basically makes the flowers pop. It looks really nice. You'll see. And this is basically what it looks like after you've applied all the flowers and the leaves. It's pretty, right? Now remember when I struggled earlier to cut the M with the scissors? What I did is I recycled the pieces that I cut from the poster board so that I can have it to attach to the back of the M. These pieces are what's going to make this M stand up on a flat surface. So you want to make sure that you save those. And then I'm just taking the hot glue gun here and I'm applying it to the piece and applying the piece to the M, and then really just hold it down to make sure that it sticks. Alright guys, and this is the finished product. And as you can see, I put some other decorations up, and I also made a balloon arch, guys. So if you want a tutorial on that, please let me know. I'll definitely make a video. And if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.